Hello, I'm e260. I'm going to take apart my MP3 player, this old one. This is my old MP3 player before I upgraded to my brand new Zoom. Pretty cool. Now, to speed up time, I've already taken off the screws on the back, which are located in those 4 holes. Like here, here. Actually, you can't see that. We'll use here. Yeah. Now you just have to find a spot where you can able to take it off, which, there we go. What the inside of the shell looks like. The back. Okay, now the battery for this is right here. Here's what it looks like on the inside. So now you just have to take off the outside 4 screws. There's 2 at the top, and then 1 at the bottom. Down right under that button right there. So I will take off 1 at the top. Okay. 1 down. Now for all those people who have a Sandisk MP3 player, you should get rid of it. It sucks. I've gone through 2 of them. For anybody who hasn't got a Sandisk MP3 player, don't buy it. I'll give you that advice. It's gonna break. It's gonna break fast. There we go. 2 down. Oh, I guess there's 2 at the bottom. Get that one right there. Sorry if I can't zoom in on this. It's a laptop one, so it's kind of hard to. Oh shit. Never mind. Sorry for the language. Fell between the keyboard, but it's okay. And the last one is right there. I'm just unscrewing this last one. Okay. Now I haven't even gone this far for unscrewing this, so it's new to me too. It's making sure they're all I'm just trying. Okay, now it looks like some of the metal's coming off. It looks like it's crimped on. So I'm just gonna take a minute. There we go. Got one. All it says on the inside is not the same full screen off too. Okay, there's the front plate of this, the black, and then that. So here's what it looks like on the inside. I don't know how, but somehow it looks like there's dust on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Then there's the thumb wheel and the scroll wheel. So I've actually never made it this far for taking this off. And I'm just trying to oops, something popped. I don't know if that was good or not. Trying to pull out the yeah, I just need to put one more. Almost got it. There we go. And that's it. That's all I needed. Okay, so trying to get the screen out. So take it out from the plastic into the piece. For some reason it just doesn't work out. There we go. Here's that back piece. Or the other side that I showed you. So it looks like on this side. So like I don't see, you can see a nice big crack. At least I can in the reflection. I don't know. Kind of do it like this, see if you can see it. I don't think you'll be able to, but so it looks like. I think I broke some of this stuff with the headphone jack, which I really don't care if I break it or not, since this people are already busted and it's done beyond repair, so it's no use for it now. I'll try and get the screen off, which looks pretty easy. It's just tight plastic. And stuff like turn off, take it off, and it's connected with a ribbon cord, that little kind of gold color. And see if I can disconnect it anymore. Okay, disconnected the green cord. Okay, now I've just removed the screen, which is cracked. I can definitely see it now, but it's all ink blotched and stuff. No, I guess you can't see it. Sorry for that, but it's no good. That's the glass. And there's just some, I don't know, some collection tape or something, I don't know. So I guess that ends my teardown of the Sandisk